Mr. Kavyanji. Once again, welcome. This is my first video of the course of the Java Fundamentals and Basics. In this video, we will talk about what are the differences between JVM, JRE and JDK. So first, follow the let's proceed on checkout. What they actually means. Now, the JVM is actually the Java virtual machine. So, this is actually virtual present in your software and hardware, and it's simply help to execute the Java and in your device, and it has no physical presence in your device, right? So the Java virtual machine simply provides environment for the code execution. And now the next comes JRF. Sorry. And now the next comes JRE. नेक्स्ट हमारा क्या है JRE. नेक्स्ट हमारा है JRE. So let us are represented with the help of green box. So the JRE is actually the combination of the JVM and few libraries set. The actual of few libraries set. Right. So the Java runtime environment is actually the combination of both. Now you know what is actually JVM. So in addition to JVM, we have here the libraries set. Now these are the libraries set that Java virtual machine required in the runtime for the code execution, right? So the JRE simply helps to run the code in your device. But now then comes the JDK. So now let us represent it by with the help of orange box. With the help of orange box. तो ये हमारा इसमें क्या है orange box. Now JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Show this the development Java kits contain the JRE in which we have the JVM plus libraries set, and in addition to JRE in case of JDK. We have the development tools right now. The JRE, as we all know, only helps to run the code. But if you want to develop some applications or write some programs, so for that you need for development tools such as the debugger, compiler and executor and so on. So all these is presented inside the development tools. So the JDK implement to Java development some Java application, right? So these are JVM, JRE, JDK in sequence. So let us proceed know these JVM, JRE and JDK personally. So what actually in your Java virtual machine? So the JVM stands for Java virtual machine, and it's simply provides runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. So is the previous video we already checked out, and not now. What are the tasks of JVM? It's simply loads code, verifies code execute codes, provide runtime. Environmental for the code execution. So without JVM you cannot run any code. Right, and at the end the Java virtual machine is actually platform dependent, that is software and hardware. We have not differentiated JVM configuration. So that is why the JVM is platform dependent. Fine. And now next we have the JVM does not exist physically. That is, you cannot see the JVM in your devices. It is actually just an environmental which is abstract in nature. So this is all about JVM. Now proceeding forward, what is JRE? What is JRE? Not. The JRE is actually the combination of JVM plus libraries. Not. The JRE is actually the combination of JVM plus library set. So here JRE is JVM plus set of libraries, and it is actually known as the implementation of JVM. So whenever actually try to run the Java code, the JVM requires some libraries set on the some files for the code execution. So that is why we say JRE is actually the implementation of JVM. Implementation of JVM, and not to run any Java code. JRE is actually minimum requirement. So in order to open any Java application, you need a minimum of JRE, that is JVM plus library set. And next we have JRE contains set of the libraries that JVM uses at runtime. And next the JRE physically exists, and next the JRE ये हमारा है JRE, and next the JRE physically contains set of the libraries that JVM uses at runtime. That is not abstract in nature compared to the JVM, and it is last. JRE is platform dependent because the JVM that constitute, and JRE is also platform dependent. Let us now proceed and check out now what the stand of JDK. What the stand of JDK? What of the stand of JDK? Now the JDK stands for JDK, JRE plus development tools, and JRE returns and contains JVM plus libraries. Right, we all about of this. So what about these development tools? And next, it is a full feature software development kit. And now next, it contains JRE plus development tools. JRE in returns contains in JVM plus libraries. JVM plus libraries. Now what about these development tools? So the development tools compilers of the debuggers plus compilers plus Java tools. Right. So you can see that The JDK and actually the application package for any Java application development. You can run your code, executor code, launch your about, etc. etc. So at the end, let us now check out what are the practical purpose of JVM, JDK and JRE in D usually. Now the JVM just provided the environment from the execution. So when the JVM tries to execute the code, it required some setup of libraries that is a present inside the JRE. So in this video we learned about JVM, JRE, JDK. So mean why if you like what so please subscribe my channel and also do leave a comment below this comment box. Watching and have a good day. Thank you.